If you'd like to know how I styled my coffee station, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I say, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and today we'll be doing something a little bit different. Some of you have been asking me to show you how I do style some of the items that I thrift. So I thought today I'll take you with me and show you the thought process of how I do style my coffee station in the house, but you can use it for your tea station. So let's get started. So this is a little area that I'll be dedicating to be my coffee station. I felt that this wall together with the socket and the backsplash were very convenient because of the L shape. So when it comes to styling, it will be very easy. So to start us off, I'll hang up my coffee sign. So I did make this coffee sign with the help of Ryan and Katua from the DIY studio. So if you have not watched that video, I'll link it in the cards above and also in the description box below. Make sure you do check it out. So to hang up my coffee sign, I'll be using my hot glue gun and my glue stick. And a lot of people have been asking where I do get my glue gun and glue stick. I do get them from a lady in town. She's called Lydia. I'll leave her contact details down in the description box below. And if you're interested in purchasing the glue gun or the glue stick, she sells both. You can purchase them from her. And also, I'll use my double-sided tape just for reinforcement. So I'll do strips of hot glue gun and the double-sided tape. And this you can get from House of Leather. They sell from around 150 to 300 depending on the size and how many they are in a pack. So the best parts about using the glue gun, it is very strong and it adheres to everything that you stick it on. And then when you're leaving or you want to remove the sign, you can just pull it really hard and it will strip. So I'm using both for reinforcement. So for the sign, I want it to be somewhere in the middle. So I'm just eyeballing the whole thing. And I'm thinking this is a good place to be. So I'll just press on it for a little while so that everything sticks. So the next thing I'll be doing is hanging these snake lights underneath the cabinet. And this is 1 meter. You can get it from any electronic shop in town. I did buy this from Sheikh Karume and it was 200 bob per meter. But this is the double eyes. So if it's a single eye, it is 100. So you'll need your connector, and this is what you're going to connect to the socket, since you don't need to have any wiring done. So for this, I'll be using my double-sided tape. So I'll do patches of the double-sided tape. So after putting your double-sided tape on your light, I'm going to stick it underneath the cabinet and let there be light. So the next thing you're going to do is I'll start layering my items, and I'll start with this tray that I got from House of Leather for 200 bob. So I'll place it at the end of my wall, and then the next item I'll bring is this jar that I bought from Gikomba for 500 bob. So what I'll do with this is I'll place my sweets, just decorative sweets, in here. So I'll put my decorative sweets just to add some pop of color. So some will be downwards, and then I'll keep alternating, and some will be facing upwards. So that one will go there. The next thing is I'll bring in my sugar and my coffee jars. So for this, I got them from Carrefour. They were sold as a pack. So since they are so plain, I decided to get some knobs. And the knobs, they are crystal knobs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them on top using my hot glue gun. So in the middle, I'll place my sugar. And then to start will be my coffee. So the next thing I'll do is I'll get a tray and continue layering everything. So for this tray, I got it from Home for 400 bob, and it will go next. On this tray, I'll place some of the snacks that I'll be taking when having my coffee. So for this, I'll do Oreos in here. I know you all know Khloe Kardashian Oreo organization in a jar. So that is what I'll be going for here. So for the cookies, I'll place them there. The remaining sweets, I'm going to place them. Then next, I'll take my handheld milk frother. I bought this from House of Leather. This was 400 bob, and I got this stand in town, and it was 100 shillings from some hawkers who were in town. So I'm going to place it right next. And this I got from Toy Market. This was for 200 bob. So I'll place it at the end. The next thing was to get mugs that were decorative and at the same time they were functional. So I did get this mug from the auction. There were 3 of them, and I want to place them here. So to add height to the whole arrangement, I thought I'll bring in my cake stand. This was from House of Leather, but I did not buy it for the coffee station bar. I had it after we had done some baby shower for my friend, and this was used to place the cake. So I thought I'd use it to style my coffee table. Sorry, my coffee station. I was so lucky to get mugs that had my initial, J, for Joanne. And I'm going to place them here. I got this vase. It was clear, and it was in my Done Home video. And I painted it white and gold. So since I have some yellow that are popping from the sweets, I thought I'd get some yellow roses to complete the whole look. So these are going to be behind here. So we are still trying to layer things up. So I'll bring in this tray that I got from Gikomba, and it was 200 bob. And then on the tray, I'll layer my tea bags. These are for my friends who love coffee, love tea. And I'll bring in my handheld milk frother that is on a stand, and then the other one that doesn't have a stand. So I'm going to place them next. To complete the whole look, I had gotten these spoons from an online shop on IG. I'll tag them below. So what I wanted to do with the spoons were, they were going to be the ones that I'll be scooping sugar and coffee from my jars. But when they did deliver, the spoons were too long. They could not fit in my jars. To complete the look, I'm going to have these decorative spoons right here next. And this is my coffee station. And let there be lights. Oh, I've been getting requests that I've been getting requests from some of you that you wanted to see how I do style the items that I get from the thrift store. I have been getting, so today we are going to do something different.